Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2018 Ram 5500 utility service crane truck. This truck has an IMT 3820 hydraulic crane. It's a 7,500 pound capacity, 20-foot reach crane. It does have an Enpak power unit as well. That is a diesel Enpak power unit, which powers the hydraulic functions. So the crane, air compressor, and hydraulic outriggers are all functioning off of that Enpak. So you do not need the truck to be running, keeping your truck engine hours low and just your maintenance costs hopefully down. Has a Hemi 6.4 liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission. Truck has just under 153,000 miles. It is a two-wheel drive, but well-optioned truck. It was owned by Caterpillar, and we've gone through it, checked it over, serviced it up, and it's ready to rock and roll. Everything functions as it should. Crane, air compressor, outriggers, all in really nice condition. The truck is mostly in original condition. We just did some light touch-ups here and there, but overall it was a nice truck when it came in. We're selling it as a nice original truck for the most part. We did just some light touching up. Good tires all the way around. Frame and underside's in great shape. Nice black color. Show you underneath here. Frame shows really well on this truck, so you can see the original frame sticker there. Pretty nice truck underneath. Inside is no different. You do have some power windows, door locks, power mirrors, cruise control, a bench seat. It's a vinyl seat. Driver seat's in good condition with no rips or tears. Floor bottom shows nicely. Pretty nice interior on this thing considering the mileage. We'll go ahead and start it up. Air conditioning works great. It's a hot day today and nice and cold. Engine is super quiet, very powerful. So here's our hours and our mileage. 152, 838 miles, 5176 idle hours, 1028 drive hours. So relatively low hours. AM, FM radio, heat, air conditioning, all that fancy stuff. Dashboard shows nice, headliner's in good condition. Pretty nice interior on this thing. So the gas is nice. You don't have to worry about costly emissions. Obviously gas is a little bit cheaper. You do, you probably get a little bit less mileage, or you do get less mileage than a diesel per gallon, but we factor in those costs. And it may be pretty close, but cobalt drawers and the D1, D2, and D3 cabinets. So, excuse me, I'm sorry, there's bolt bins in the D2 cabinet. And should have some here. So, you can load your tools up and get right to work. Close this cabinet. We do have some just generic kind of over the toolboxes there. You got some more cabinets for storage and whatnot. But they open and close as they should. Box is in great condition. Now the crane and body are a 2011 year model. Caterpillar will do this from time and time again. They have, a nice body that they just put onto a newer chassis. These bodies are so expensive, so it's no surprise that they do that. But a really nice body on this thing. Does have storage underneath the workstation here. Now, the only areas that we've painted, it's my understanding, is we painted this rear area here. As you can see, it's got some fresh paint, and this rear tailgate. Other than that, it's an original truck. Got a hitch, 7-way, jump up here. So this is all original. This is really nice. Here's our Enpak. It is a diesel Enpak, and the truck also has a waste oil tank. So you got some scrapes and scratches inside here, but we wanted to keep it original. When you got a nice original truck, you try to keep it nice and original rather than, paint it all up and someone thinking that something has been, covered over or whatnot. Not that we do that, but I know there's people out there that would do that, but not us. On this side, no different. nice and original. Again, storage on this side under the workstation. Kind of a nice vise hanging off the back. So this is our crane compartment. You got our hydraulic outrigger controls, got some different lights and odds and ends. Remote is a wireless remote, but it has to be tethered. So that's, it is what it is. If you can figure it out, then great. But as we're selling it, it's gonna be, you have to tether it. Enpak there, I think it's got 1,295 hours on it. Probably have a little bit more once I'm done with it. Waste oil extractor down the bottom there. Bins and boxes are all really nice. They all open and close as they should, as you're seeing actively. Now it does have, as you can see here, a Miller MaxStar 200. This is a welder. It's going to come with the truck. We have not done anything with it. It just came with the truck. If it works, then great. If it doesn't, then you can use it as a wheel chock or something. But all right, so here we've got some gas lines, the tank storage. And that's the body. It's a really nice body inside and out. All the doors open and close as they should. And the chassis, you can barely hear this engine running. Show you underneath again. Very nice under there. Hardly any scratches, so no major body damage anywhere on it. Cab's in great shape, super quiet. And even having the Enpak running, it's still pretty quiet. You know, it does idle up and get louder, but just a nice truck inside and out. Nice previous Caterpillar truck. We've bought a few of these now, set up exactly like this, and we've bought a ton of Caterpillar trucks. They've all been pretty nice to us, so this one's no different. We've gone through it, serviced it up, it's ready to rock and roll. Give me a call. We're Lewis Motor Company, located in Clarksville, Maryland, which is just outside of Baltimore, Maryland. You can find this truck for sale at lewistrucks.com. It's LEWIS, trucks with an S.com. I can ship this truck throughout the United States. It's ready to rock and roll. Good truck. Call me and we'll get it sold to you. Thank you guys for watching.